Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Happy Christmas to you, my brothers and sisters. It is good to be good. This is not the word of Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. As they thank Edo people, both home and abroad, for the love where they show am. Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. Enjoy the video.
A great good afternoon and Merry Christmas to all of our friends around the world. It's me, your brother, your loyalist, Comrade Stanley Osakwunokwudi. Today is Xmas, Christmas to be precise, because I've seen some persons criticizing the use of the word S. So I have to quickly correct myself to say Christmas. Happy Christmas to you all. It's me, your brother. Very firstly, I really need to be part and parcel of your activities today in this Yuletide period. I may not be where you are, but through my live broadcast this afternoon, I think I can reach out to you anywhere you are. If you are eating at your dining table, if you are watching me now, I am with you. If you are swimming at your swimming pool, you are watching me now, I am with you. I want to officially say a very big thank you to all Edo people for your overwhelming support. Let's be candid to ourselves. It will be very, 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 very difficult for the likes of Osakwunokwudi to stand alone, if not because of your support. We've seen hiccups from different corners, trying to bedevil our progress, trying to bedevil our growth. But for the fact that Edo people worldwide, because if you say I should identify in persons, those that are standing by me, I cannot identify, because they are too numerous to be mentioned. The love and likes is overwhelming, and I think to some extent the only prayer that we're praying today is for me not to fall into the hands of my enemies. We have been blackmailed. We have been maliciously snared. There was a deliberate attempt to bring down our reputation. But Edo people, with all sense of respect for the dignity of human person, and with the ability to analyze and know what is right from what is wrong, everyone stood firmly. And as of today, the resultant is efficacious. It is good to be good, and I have to learn to do better. By the power of our ubiquitous God Almighty, we are approaching 2021, and we are going to reach, and we are going to enter into 2021 in Jesus' name. Amen. We'll try as much as possible not to disappoint those who has reposed confidence on us. Everyone sees it on media, even up to today. Comrade Stanley says, take this. Comrade Stanley says, take that. Comrade Stanley says, take this. It is not as if I am the best or the most better person. No. If we have to look at it from my personal characters, I have so many flaws and mistakes. In fact, I may not be deserving. If those who are extending their olive palm to Osakwunokwudi wants to judge on the basis of my personal character, I have not been able to meet up to expectation. But the truth still remains. I am overwhelmed. I am shocked for the love and fine works. Now, when it comes to issue of my profession, CFO, survey, I have been doing CFO and survey in the past, but I've never witnessed this kind of huge patronage from Edo people worldwide. I have never. While I was clamoring for stomach infrastructure, if they not share this money, give me no go agree. While I was clamoring for it, I never see any benefits. But today they have decided to say, no, let us stand on the path of what is right. And let us do what is right at a particular time. My brother, they use the stomach infrastructure to tire me. They use them tire me. Today the patronage, in fact, many work they grant now when they be say, I never fit do. No chance. Go and do my Abba. I will be the most ungrateful person if I fail to acknowledge. Some people say not be work they give you. As they give you, not be you do the work. Not be help they help you. No. There are so many persons that can do the job better than I do. But everyone is saying, give it to Osakwinokodi. So if it is given to Osakwinokodi, it is help. Sorry, please excuse me. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. My battery is about going down. I never knew, so I have to change my power source. CFO. Okay. $50 by 100 each. Okay. Okay. What a great year. In real life video now. Yeah, or you have to meet you. We are true. Now. Yeah, you. Tia number one I mean. Okay, yeah, you are true. Costa. Sorry. Sorry. I have to. Sorry, I have to. My power just. I never knew that the battery was going down, so I have to now. So as I was saying, if we have to look at it from the sincere perspective, I am not the best person. There are so many persons. In fact, just a little minute that I said I want to change my power source, I just received a call from someone who wants to do CFO. And what did the person says? My brother in abroad, my sister in abroad gave me your number. My brother in abroad, my sister in abroad, my brother in abroad. Let me tell you the simple truth. If I say I am not happy, if I come out to say I am not glad, believe you me, I will be the most ungrateful person. In fact, I now see myself as an individual that is in trouble because I am now being beckoned with the responsibility to continue to do what is right. It is a challenge. It is a challenge. Not be only me day, but the love Self, they tire me. I did believe. Comrade, 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 comrade. On the normal situation, who be me? On the normal situation, who be me? When they say okay, may they really talk am, more talk am as it be, who be me? Just a mere person. Who be me? We get great men and women. This thing we talk so both in political class, so both in diaspora, both in the do everywhere. Oh, Larry, comrade, Larry, comrade, Larry, comrade, Larry. Who be me naturally? In fact, as I thank Edo people worldwide, greatest thanks goes to our ubiquitous God for making it possible. And again, the likes of Stanley OJ, Ebegwe Ogiamie, the likes of Okumba all the way from Australia, Kingsley Mene, let me tell you all, I say a very big thank you, because it will say another year word, by this kind of time I would have been relegated to the background. When I go want to talk, they will come with me. Hey, comrade, don't be so. We don't agree. You need to support her. You need to do this one. Comrade, how can you be stand? Forget brand stomach infrastructure. You must push the door forward. You must join it. Comrade, you will be fighter. Comrade, you will be this. Are you not supposed to defend your own place? You are because of money. You are doing. They not give me chance. Mostly, Stanley OJ. He not give me space. At the end of the day, I now agree to take part. As I take part finish, I dey busy. As I take part finish, as of today, my business in respect to my CFO, comrade patronage from all corners, and by the power of God, on the 10th of January, by the power of God, we will officially launch our office, and we dey grow on a daily basis for this our business. So today, when I do something for you, I no go wait may you come meet me or may you come my office. I never get office, so I'm not proud of. My office is coming on the 10th. For now, I'm mobile. And we're going to launch that office in Jesus' name. Now, if when we do not finish, I know they say you defend me here and there. It's for me to get your phone number. I will send your material to your doorstep. Even if our office is open, we'll not only do for you, we'll take it to your doorstep. And we are extending our tentacle very soon, including interlocking and many more. We'll go come out with those formal announcements as the year 2020 gets to its end. May God continue to bless you all in the name of Jesus. All of you. Them will not hold it. They get level. Them will not hold it. Them will not hold it. Not be tree near tree. Not make monkey the feature from tree to tree. If one tree there, the other one there, a ring road, the monkey go come down for tree, go trek. He will clamor. You they see me for media every day. Those are what those boys were doing. No level. If not be the support, the collaborative effort of all of us, including you, will not get level. Talking for Facebook not make you be anything. Now data you get, now you talk. Now when people watch you and agree to what you talk, now it be something. Everybody can pick their phone to speak. So it is not peculiar to one person. So when somebody watch you and say, oh, I love what this man is saying, now it be the thing. If somebody no acknowledge you, you just open mouth back there, you are saying nonsense. Except if it is acknowledged by those watching you. So, all them us, all them we, know say, nobody is a monopoly of knowledge. Nobody is a monopoly of idea. If you think you can stand alone in life, and you think you have made it in life, and you are no longer looking for more, and you think you can do away without people. You can do without people, sorry. Believe me, you are going to die in isolation. Now, let me give you a classical example. As they create this world, if they put only you inside this world, with money, food, and everything, you will not last 15 days. You will die. You will even look for something to kill you. For you don't go America, nobody. You don't go Lagos, nobody. You don't go Saudi Arabia, nobody. You don't go UK, nobody. Only the earth. You look for what you take kill yourself. Because you need communication. You need the next man to be able to feel the impact of life. So on my part, on behalf of Stand Osadi Enterprise, believe you me, I am saying a very big thank you in 3 main ramifications. 1, in the course of the pre-election era, Stanley OJ many more, where we, although I was not a member of any of the group, EPM, or as the case may be, but we are having support for the EPM based on our personal actions and the stomach infrastructure. Then, still on the pre-election era, we accepted to stand to defend what is right. And I know that nobody is perfect anyway. So we are Oliver Twist as a human will continue to ask for more. Then during this period, the love and overwhelming, we devoted all our time and attention, our strength, because it was like a do or die. I won't deceive you. To me, I was more desperate in that elections than the governor himself. Because I stepped on toes. Those who we were supporting, who thought that we were with them, and later noticed that we've taken a firm stance, will never be happy. So, if we have lost the elections, it's either I'm no longer in Edo State, or I will be preparing my meal ticket in prison. Because definitely, when they want to get at you, they must surely get at you. Don't try government. Anybody who thinks he can wrestle with government, you are still sleeping. That was why the late president of Nigeria, a military president, General Sani Abacha, he said, if insurgency lasts 24 hours in the country, know that the government is involved. That was the statement. If insurgency lasts 24 hours in a country, know that the government is involved. That was the statement credited to late General Sani Abacha. So if anybody thinks that you can confront government, you are wasting your time. Every instrumentality is with the government, and they know how to use it. So I was very desperate. I don't want to hear losing. So when I saw the disqualification of the governor, the purported disqualification of the governor in the primary elections, the intended primary election, or the screening as the case may be, I never knew what prompted me to sing Oga Carry Ticket Go, which was the official campaign song of His Excellency Governor Godwin Oregase Obaseki. After then, the love begins to come in. I was overwhelmed. I thank God that I took a firm and the right decision. I must commend distinguished Senator Egiedobo Uzaberi, a man who has given me freedom in the political system. Uzaberi will not tell me, comrade, he has never given me a condition. I always study his body language. Uzaberi has never given me a condition in politics. He has never given me a precondition to say, this is what we're going to do. If you don't do it like this, I will not listen to you. No. I have never bought a bottle of Pepsi as a gift to Senator Uzaberi. But when we check what Uzaberi has done for me, believe me, I know if you explain. Mr. Sammy Ihaza, you are one of my great friends. You fed a verse for me. Say, this boy was supposed to stand where. No. But today, I see the love with yourself they show me. Escobar will win. My great guy. Forget say we will not get the same political orientation. But I still believe you too much. But these are men. See, I don't know if you understand. My mind just is sweet. I just be happy. Why they happy be say me? I not fuck up. It will say I fuck up, eh? I for the regret now. You just see the easiest part in life is try me you to listen. If person want talk, not do like say you too know, because if you the information when they want give you, if it makes you change, your life change for the better forever and ever. They can be sharing money in your backyard. Somebody will come from the United States to collect. If you not get information, they go share and finish. Person where they as far as Australia will come collect, you were there the house, not gonna know something happen for your backyard. You need information. So you do not need to shut anybody down to say, shut up, I know everything. If not, you are going to lack in totality. You are going to lack in totality. So you say, I don't really know. May they go sit down. Who they know me? Now maybe this. Anybody will wait. The Bible said, never lean on your own understanding. I want to pray on a daily basis. I dey fear to love blind person. I dey fear to show to proud, because the day when you go fall past, if you fall, nobody go raise you. You go fall past them, because many people even the way they wait say to see say this man where they proud, where they form this one with the wait, they will pray when you even fall. All the we like me as I did so. I cannot tell you, say that's where I be. I try to live my life peacefully, because at the end of the day, if I can't go proud like this for you, tomorrow I not come be like as I tell you. My hand come, not be shamed. I do not want to be shamed. God no let the shame us. So the best thing is for me to calm myself and to live my life peacefully. Hey, you just the phone say, I heard the phone say, now me, they know me, 30 million, for now maybe your sack will not put. The day will be say, he not on day. For you to feel meet person, go tell and say, hello bros, I bet your family is money. You say, now fuck up, I'm going to kill you, they go. Now fuck up, one of the years say you die. Because of proudness, because you already show what you not be, you cannot be free. You cannot be free. That's why I said this. So if not naked, I know they go to Reddit down, say I want to do a live video. I'll come say, I'm going to give me this thing, comb my hair, I repair my face well. It good. If they see me, I don't feel. I know they do one. If it is betrothed slippers, now they my leg, I go use them. As it take enter, I go do one like that. I not come this life, go impress anybody. I just want to be me. I not get another result. As I be for ground, that's why I be for Facebook. As I be, no remainder. And I not still pray, make God give. I say they pray to God every day. Say, God, not let me know how far as I take day. Because when you don't know how far how you take day as a human, you can't begin to misbehave. You can't assume. You can't want to raise your chest. You will not be leaning on your own understanding. I don't want to know as I take day. I know you want to know. I want your day free. I don't want to say, now the bills are going to put it. That's why I don't like healing. So you got to heal me. What you heal me for? I hate healing. One thing when I don't learn for this life is one needs to bring his or herself down. Bring yourself down. I did my house when I received call. Boom, boom, boom. Hello, comrade, how are you? Fine, man. I greet you, my text to answer number. It's close to Christmas. I don't try to reach you since I feel. Go kolo okporoko. Okporoko. The call never finish. I don't run inside motor. I want to go remove the okporoko. As when you talk, so you not be say and one by one you change am. See, my soup thick. My soup, it thick. Now Morocco, as you eat your, you know what you know those baza now, maybe your Morocco soup. When you cut the eba, the soup no see space, so you even forget the eba. You remove the Morocco. You put for my you draw, you see the part where it. I don't know. I don't know if you explain the sweetness because the sweetness too much. The Morocco still there. Maybe tomorrow night because you say I come out now, my body come fresh. You don't know say now public support of Morocco now fresh now. Public support of Morocco now fresh now. I not give the person money. I not know her before. I not the owner. He not the owe me. He not buy something credit when say you want to pay me to give me Morocco. No. He say go and take Morocco. I rush that Morocco. I don't tell you that. I rush the Morocco. I did CFO for one man, Mr. Lugard. He looked me from up to down. I said, come Nigeria. He said, where are you, comrade? So I did what he did. He give me, see, Italians should forget, even if you say you get money, your money long. You know if you see that kind of shoe bad for Nigeria, yeah. Ah yes, then they'll give you another one kind of correct abanayan they'll give you. You know if you see I'm bad, you will not be buy your money now. But this person came and it because CFO, because he confirmed and said the CFO was a legit one, and he see I give him a fair number, he take go check. Somebody asked me yesterday, say, comrade, how far is my CFO going? I said that was why I gave you a fair number. You have the right to check to know the progress of your activity. We are going to work to ensure that your CFO come out. The guy carried this man, Mr. Lugard. I put the video for social media. He carried the shoe, he handed over to me. If you see that shoe, me know it's clear. Even if say me get money, me no go buy that kind of shoe. No, because if I do, if it affect my economy, somebody carry him, he dash me. Not be saying not pay me for the CFO. He pay me. He pay me for the work where I do, and I not remove one another. He give me my own payment, and still he carry shoe, Italian shoe. You fit talk say I ain't not be just a main Italian shoe. To you, because you are in diaspora, it might be a main Italian shoe. But for to me, not gold, because me never go Italy. Talk less of say I will come fit bring Italian shoe company. So if somebody now gives me Italian shoe, it might not be anything to you because you dey see them every day. But to me, as a local content, when me be na something, na major something, not just something, na major something, na it be. It might not be anything to you because you. Now I make one post. I say, travel. If you never travel, no matter how educated you may be, you cannot compare yourself to who don't travel. Some people come to say, if we get some Benin brothers, is that when they Facebook they misbehave, they say they behave like if the person they travel. That's true. If to say that person not travel at all, it will be big mistake. So now the level of education when you bring a few work reach, now you reach, and now you see say they display there for that travel. If to say it's still there here, you know say that person will be say they don't feel even can't have at all. So there are different level of education for different persons. So even if you see somebody they misbehave, believe me, it will say not get that kind of exposure where you get. It will be problem to the society. So for those who don't travel out, we might be. Let's take an example. We might be good. We'll say that they'll say, "What is this?" All the things where we say we learn for school now, both the right time. People then when they see all this thing with as a professional town planner who is very very competent in surveying, all the instruments when they take the survey, how many of the instruments we get apart from GPS and Tedolite? We don't. Some persons don't have. How many people buy little job, roller grips, surveying instrument, ranging material, leveling instrument. But there are people who sees this instrument as they wake up for house or the hospital, they don't see them. once they wake up from their house in the diaspora, this thing when they write for us for board, they'll say the theodolite is like this, the leveling is like this, leveling instrument is like this, the little John is like this, your GPS. These people sees it on a daily basis. So no matter how competent you may be, travel is one of the basic rudiments of education. It's one of the basic rudiments, and this is just the desideratum of the discussion. So when I talk and say you need to travel, some people say no, it is the fact. I cannot come and tell you here now say I never travel. The only place where me don't travel reach for this full world when I did na Cotonou, and a motor will go back for Port Novo, for Cotonou. Na motor will go back. After that, na Benin I did 24/7. Although I don't travel most states in Nigeria, but I never come out. I know I can't come out on it, follow person, they compete, say, yeah, I don't go this place now. I don't lie. The first time when me enter plane, as I enter, I never enter plane before then. I now come here call the proud, say, you know how people they do now, they'll say, don't want to take picture of me, you know, say that they enter plane. No. Me, I know a big call body. Because only that once when I enter that plane, fear don't let me enter plane again. I get phobia for plane. I happen. During post-election crisis in the north, we use motor to go. Now to return back, we did Bukavu barracks. I needed to fly because if I say I use land, they will be attacked because I was a copper serving my country as a then. That was about 10 years ago. Yeah, I was serving my country. The next thing, Jawa don't boast too. Now say make the same money for me. So I tell you so. A Marjorie self where the beg for not get money pass me then. My mom see my family the same money. And they say the money come. The money big for me. Let me say me on me why you na me why you go na aeroplane now. Oh. Now so when you carry this old money, just enter aeroplane. My man come tell me say if I no enter, so they come happen to me and they say na greediness killer. They give her money, he no gree follow plane. You see go follow. Now say me I go pay. Now I go pay for Kano airport. They can't give me boarding pass and the rest. As aeroplane one move, my belly don't even look. Small pikin will sit down near me. Never even know whether na plane. They don't want to indoor enter plane. And you begin say, here the talk. What that get then here with me sit down. Be your bone or my belly don't look. The plane they move. But now there me no say gallop the air. Now there me no say gallop the air. He as the plane they move. This people hear the talk. Hey, so when I came, my daddy now the other guy the corner. Now me push strong my face like say nothing the apple. Oh my head told me. I pretend to make the girl not come to say this bro stuff in a really good. I heard this as the plane don't move, it don't the air. Now balance. I come say when we don't reach Monitala Mohammed Airport, they come say they call the people they say plane they announce it will soon come down. So everybody should fasten your seatbelt. Now say make I from window that window where they made from there observe ground. So observe ground street be like Belebe. You know as clean as neat as this is when we maintain the plate air before. Ha! I begin pray. Father, I beg you, if you survive me for a year, we never try it again. It's my mind though. The day when they come and they talk, the young underage girl will sit there, they talk, I quiet. Down they talk to me, none is surprised, not the answer. I didn't know, but they pray. As they drop us for airport, I say, I come down. That was the last time I had aeroplane reach. 10 years ago. Ten years ago, as I come down, I shock. Now that time, till now, if I want to travel, go anywhere, I suffer that transport for road. Road danger, we know, but I get phobia for plane. So I know come and tell you say that when I travel one and another, I don't like if you're a if I don't like all this way they call Germany. Me, I be local person. Oh, sorry to say, oh. I did very, 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 and I'm very comfortable with this local. Maybe when I don't grow reach the level like una. Those who visit a bit, I'll still be rich like that. But for now, I'm just normal local. I say I shock. The thing shock me, not be joke. Play. And when we dey air, was it the year group? Make on the, I not feel ask the girl where they decide. I not feel push the, but make on pass the play also make gudu. Ah, so call up see the heaven. Because we don't know, we don't take as in a sky. Na heaven. Call up the heaven. Ha! As I from window check and when I see road will be no say where. All of them be like belebe. As a sling tread. Now prayer start. Father, in the name of Jesus, let me come down from this place successfully. Never allow anything to happen to me. And they pray. And they pray. So I come down. That was the last time we are internal reach. Sometimes when some girls that for social media, you see them, they'll come and they'll go near where plane, they don't enter, they'll do their picture here, they say, hey. So these people know they dread that means of transportation and water transport. I fear around there. As I be swim for river fine. As I be swim. But all of a sudden you look here, you look here, you look here, you look here. Now water touch up, the same midday. That one are the only reason why then I not follow men pass through land enter Europe. Not say Europe not there our men then. I dread down there. I dread down there. I know your feet. That's why I see the hey men. We gather men. We stash men. Do one. If not be them, we do one. My brother, let me tell you the truth. By this kind of time, men for the chop men for street of Benin. Under many people see move. The foreign exchange, they enter this door. People see the chop people. No talk of say maybe everybody else remain. No job. Bros, people for run. No. People for run. So in the year 2021, I want advice for everybody. Remove this saga. Me, I know they do saga. That's why if you like, you talk to me for now till 50 years. Now your page you they use. I cannot go and reply you say, "May I go to follow you talk." Now only when I see and say you talk like, and I know silence is consent, I will quickly bring evidence to the world to see. Not tell me say no, not respond. No, your talk that thing. Leave and make the talk. No, leave and make the talk. Some people feel here and you say not true. So we respond appropriately. Provide evidence as a response. That's what we call this exchange word. So because of this, I'm begging every one of us. This life is too short for us to have enemies. It's too short. Do you know why? By tomorrow, that's what you say. You're just surprised tomorrow. You know CID. Everybody remember the song of Lucky Dube. Nobody believes it there until you becomes the next victim. So because of that, make peace. The Bible said, "Be peaceable with all men." Make peace. You they strive or you they clamor for peace. It's not a sign of weakness. You are not weak. If you know us to be a fighter online, you know us as a street credibility. I will still tell you, say, we need peace. And you yourself don't witness how to fight online. If you say anybody who think your pursuers this online, say, hey, no. If you know how we take the fight online, but when you bring the fight, when you call for peace, it simply means that we do not want rancor within us. It will be a shame if a supposed brother and brother continue to confront themselves on media. Now, meet the live video here. I have never seen an Igbo man or Igbo woman negative live video against themselves. Go and check YouTube. This one replied this. This one replied that. So and so person prick. So and so person do this one. This one goes to sleep with this. They go and check. All these sets of discussions is coming out from only one locality. And that thing, they bring down the reputation of our people. Thank God today, we are now having more educated people than as it were in the past. May God continue to bless you all. May God continue to bless you all. Somebody say, nah, abroad money na help Edo State. You are 100% right. Apart from Edo State, go and check. If you see, use statistics. Edo, see the money we receive in foreign exchange as a nation. 90% now from indigenous personality where they import. No, now Edo Igbos import into the country more than anybody, and our importation runs in billions. Millions upon millions of dollars. People bring in euro. We are converting all to dollars now. People send in money to Edo, to Nigeria. Different business here and there. So, you are not wrong when you say na abroad. Na Edo. It is the truth. And that is the reason why you left to the abroad. Because you're going there now, not only help your family alone, including you are helping us. Now let me give an example. CFO, they take CFO. Who really needs CFO? Now those where we say they're not there around, they need to secure their property. Let's take an example. Where me build this my matches box put where for the broadcast now. Before you enter, say you want to dig foundation. If there's an empty land, I don't come. We go drag on. Usually drag on. But what if I'm not there? I want to come. So I need a CFO to protect my property. The question is, how many people really they feel do CFO in the past compared to now, where the government don't make it so cheap? Before, outside surveying, you never fit do CFO for one land at the cost of 1 million. Outside surveying, when they come tell you other requirements, you call the surprise say 1.52 million. And the possibility of having that CFO is in 11 years is in doubt. But today, Obaseki did not only reduce it to the barest minimum, he gave a period of not being give that one. Let me quickly clear the air. The 3-month CFO application process is the law as contained in the Land Use Act of 1978. It was a land use decree, but it has been embedded into the 1999 Constitution and it is part of the Constitution. We have other laws like the Urban Regional Planning Law, the Creative Act of 1992. The Town Country Planning Ordinance of 1946, the British Town Country Planning Ordinance of 1946, the Town Country Planning Law, Cap 165 of Edo State. There are so many laws. But the law states that CFO 3 months. But in Edo today, we have backlogs. So many applications. Now let me quickly say this. Before I say this, that's so many applications. So with the peg and say, in 4 months it will get to you. But let me quickly say this. Even if you pay all the money for CFO application, you pay for the tax and everything. If you build on if your land a government land, they can never give you CFO. You can never, even say you pay. Paying does not guarantee you of having a CFO, except if that land is not a government land. And in government land, we get different. Today at Christmas, I don't want to go into land, but some questions requires me to give an explanation. Government land falls into different category. What we call category A, category B, category C, and category D. Category A, come on, you are there. That one have a salary, not your lookout. There's no way you can have a CFO, even if you are close to the governor. Because it's categorical. Category A shows that government have an interest on that land. The same thing with category B, but there are some category B where you can as well get CFO. We still know how to take the pass on to get a CFO. The category C and D, that's tell you say now government land, but government is in the process of de-acquiring such land. The question is, what is de-acquiring? Government can acquire and de-acquire. A land acquired by government, we say this land a government land, like those Okaroma community, Obagie, those Oba communities in Oba, government land mainly for that area. Not be all be government land to get it clear. Or those them Oba at all. Government land they there. So when you want buy, even this, if you know down, say even if it's in a category C, as far as you know not buy. If you don't know it don't happen, and a different case. We still know how to pass them. But if it be category A, come on your eye there, you know they will take pass them. Even if the government not can take on today, government must surely come in the future. The truth is, I not jump into this work. Say they say the rain now, I want to know. I am number this is I studied this thing in school, right from my early days to my current educational status. To the date, I am a professional in this field. I said something about I read land. Somebody said there's no profession like land. I laugh. Yes, you expect me to call the name of the profession, but what we deals on is land and the use to which land is being put. So you can't tell me anything about land. Apart from my academics in the area of land administration, we as well do community land issue. So when you want to tell me about community, I'll just laugh. Maybe I go do survey for some community. I tell some of my clients, I say, not be stubbornness. If we go set, you know if it sees my things. When I say you want 6 things, even say you be the head of all career, you know if it sees my things. I not go fight you, I not go quarrel with you. But you go know say, you will be your career. Person you they follow the discourse. Don't still do okagali. Not be you starter. Even if say I not be the chairman, but I was a vice chairman. I tell you all, so that alone I experience in respect to land matter. One single land document can sell the whole community. You will say that they will bring approval command. I want to quickly say this one. I get one case like this. You want bail and they'll carry approval come and give you. We have two. We get different type of approval. They'll tell you say 10 plot of land, they'll bring 10 plot of land approval come. They'll say they gave my father this 10 plot, or they gave me this 10 plot. I am transferring 100 by 100 to you from this land. They'll transfer to you. Now go lawyer place, go right. Why you not ask them, say, where the remaining 9 plots? If they say they don't transfer. Now that's the paper that can go meet the next person. In fact, the paper where you take back, me physically give my friend, say, use and sell your land. You know, can I give this one, say, use and sell your land. So can I give this one, say, use and sell your land. So one paper fee said your community. Now when they bring approval to you, like the case when I see, I tell the person, I say, some of these lawyers, they're not agreeing to talk truth because they want to collect money for agreement. Now, an approval, the big committee approval, they give the land to one man, the man they did it. Person will sell the land to you, will say transfer to you. He never even the approval. How you can use the approval? Say, lawyer see him, lawyer not studying, he carry, he write agreement, he collect your money, 40,000, 50,000, 30,000. Say he don't write agreement, say carry go, he not concern him. So family, because believe say if he advise you, with give you the real advice, you know will come again. So he go you could collect money, give you approval where they disjointed. Una right finish. Then if technical person see him, say okay, this is approval. Approval carry Mr. Johnson. Who go sell land and Mr. Osabawa? How it come to play? How? What is the correlation? Reconcile them, it not match. But lawyers instead of them to say the fact, they'll do and they'll collect money. Mona carry on her own go. Some of them say, and again, let me quickly tell you, Mercy open this one, and secret that they give una so. Not be all land document that they accept in court. Say because you get deed of transfer, you say okay when they go court, you go bring a gun. If that lawyer not get C, if not be recognized barrister, he put one red, and if not finish, he got a gun one red thing put. You say it is see if you carry that document go court or throw me. So when writing an agreement in respect to land, look where the lawyer will get C cannot write agreement for you 20,000. Lawyer will get C. A real lawyer recognized, not be a lawyer, be lawyer. Say because you open one chamber. Yes, he goes to read law. He go law school, he come out. But he never register. He not get C. You run go there, you say, if all lawyers and lawyers talk, which one can be charged and be who they talk? So before you do all this, put your head down. But above all this story what they talk so, once you buy land, even before you buy, tell the person say, I want to buy this land. I agree to buy it. I want survey am first. If it require you to say, maybe on a price 2.5 million, you tell us I want to deposit 100,000. I want survey am first. Do one like that. When you survey am, you go use the pillar number, the plan number, the beacon number, and the coordinate of that land to write your agreement. Tomorrow when they want to shift you there, because when they take you to court, or you take them to court, say, I buy so and so land, they say, make I come out there. I say, I know they come out, I know they go anywhere. The community will come to say, Honorable Court, this man don't know where we show him. And now when they show you, you do, you say, no, now that they show me, that's okay. Please, can I see the beacon number? The pillar number, as the case may be, the coordinate of such land. Let's get the chart to know say that particular land. At the end of the day, you not get any of this thing for your approval. Even if you get the land, court go throw away your own. But all this is all they talk so. What do you need to protect yourself from all is the C of O. All this one we now so it be this one. All you need to protect yourself from all is a C of O. A government cannot take your land when you have a C of O to that land. It can never happen. You will be subjected to what we call adequate compensation. Adequate compensation. When you have a C of O to land And there is a Latin maxim or terminology that states, quid latetor, solo sedit. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. God go rule say, having be able to tender a statutory right of occupancy on that land, we hereby rule that Mr. So should uproot his house and any other property on top of the land within 24 hours. If not, so takes over the whole properties. You will go run enter the land because you say you get big chest. The person will get your phone, so if collect the house, you own to park it. Or is say government can still take your land. They see government can revoke your land on the ground. Now let's take an example. You could issue you for based on friendliness. They say you take the share government land. Say that land not be government land. You not buy government land, and you get no mercy for government of it. Even if say government want to take it, they will compensate you. Government cannot take your land, say go. Except say maybe you go collect government land. You know say that government land you buy because your friend are governor. That governor can say, okay, let's just give him C of O. A new governor can come and say, even if you, because governor is the one issue the C of O. Even if you have C of O on this land is a government land, they can revoke it. Outside that, a government cannot revoke a private land. Now let me state this in terms of land administration. Let us know today. They have what we call right to family land. It is recognized by the Land Use Act of 1978 that came out with the CFO. Right to family land, right to communal land. All these are rights to land. That's why you have what we call customary right of occupancy. I don't want to go in details. Today na Christmas. Now people push them into this discussion. But when they do our subsequent live video, we are going to expatiate on this. When the government gives you a C of O, you collect that C of O. My dear brother, once they illegally revoke and say, hey, give me, you don't need to make noise. Go to court. Then they win government for court. Go to court. Are you afraid of court? Go to court. You will win your case when you collect your team back. C of O na one paper. But the power we carry not go there. The power we carry not go there. Thank you very much. I want to say very big happy Xmas to you all. Osakwenokwodi is indeed very grateful for your magnanimity and kind gesture thus far. Amazing, not be only with the life, not be only with the edu. Not be only with sabi the work. Not be only with they do the work. But you choose to patronize Osakwenokwodi. What else do I have to say? Rather than to say, thank you. I'm not going to that when I'll fit talk. And that thank you. I know if it tell you say, you know they help me. You just they help me. You they help me because if it's na 10 naira I they get from the work. Let's take an example. When I tell you say pay money now, you don't pay. You they pay 10,000 naira to my company to carry out that exercise first. Then we don't do anything, you can't give us our own. Government not let me to collect that 10,000. If you collect 10,000 naira for 5 people, that not be money. Not be money. Then I can't say you know they help me. If you not pay that 10,000, you not pay anything. You not give me the work. I want to move. How we want to move. So my phone number remains 070 3610 9939. I don't get one Airtel now, but I never know the Airtel for Edu. Now they do live video, so because we are there now. Okay. I have the Airtel now. The Airtel line now 08120 107155. Airtel line 08120 107155. Then I get Glow line again 080 79 74 2172 080 79 74 2172. Then my WhatsApp, this one I will use this one for WhatsApp, this Airtel line. So this 08126, sorry, disregard that Airtel line for now. Disregard that Airtel line. Not sure say I call on well. I'm going to disregard the Airtel line, please. That 0812. Disregard it for now. I have to verify it. I don't need buy them. And I will give you wrong number. So disregard the Airtel line. But when I don't rectify this Airtel line, it will be my WhatsApp line as well. So I can't get to WhatsApp. But my WhatsApp line currently now 07036109939. 07036109939. That's my WhatsApp. Somebody asked one question just now. You say how much to get all these things done? Yes. All you need as a requirement in CFO is now three like we told at this stage, more than listen. One, inside CFO we get the application process. You get where they will call you for inspection. Then when they don't call you for inspection after paying 50,000 for the CFO application, they get what they call offer letter. Then you will pay for assessment. Assessment for 100 by 100 is about 33,000, so that is 4 below. 1 by 2 is about 50,000, at times the 4 below. Now only that 2 I will tell you. The rest, I never see assessment for 2 by 2. I never see assessment for 1 by 3. Beyond that. But in agriculture, if you like it with 200,000 plots, the assessment is not always more than 40,000. Because the government is encouraging agriculture. But for commercial, so the point is, assessment is based on the use to which land is being put. Some people they will be saying that the followers they do the same work. When they don't watch Osakwuno Okwonie live video, they'll call it and go to the talk. So that's why you say I'm not a quick want to discuss in details. Excuse me. Hello? Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I'm on a live video, sir. You call your boy back, sir. Yes, you are on to Osakwuno Okwonie. I'm on a live video, sir. All right, sir. All right, sir. Sorry, sir. Please, sir. Forgive my negligence. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, no problem, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, that is it. These are procedures that you must follow in CFO application. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Give me some minutes. Let me confirm that Airtel. Hello. Now I've confirmed the Airtel line. Yes, the Airtel line is Airtel line 081 2010 7155. 08120107155. You can reach me there as well. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remember humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwode. I say a beautiful and pleasant happy Christmas to you all. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye for now.
Abeg, help us share this video to friends and family, and also let us know what you think for comment section for everything wey Comrade Stanley Osaze don talk today for this video. If you never subscribe to Dan Eargy YouTube, abeg try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan Eargy YouTube.